Hi friends, I'm Rajnikant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Suman's Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear guys, today I'm going to dictate questions and answers from the book Footprints Without Feet, Chapter 1, The Triumph of Surgery, for high school English supplement. So let's start with the questions. Read and find out. Page number 1. Question 1. Why is Mrs. Pumphrey worried about Tricky? Its answer. Mrs. Pumphrey is worried about Tricky because he is unwell. He has refused to eat food and had bouts of vomiting. She feels that he is suffering from a serious health issue such as malnutrition. Question 2. What does she do to help him? Is she wise in this? Dear guys, its answer. Mrs. Pumphrey starts giving him extra snacks like malt, cod liver oil and Horlicks apart from his main meals to improve his condition. He also continues to satisfy his sweet tooth with cream cakes and chocolates. She doesn't give him any exercise considering his listlessness as well. She is not wise in doing so because overfeeding Tricky is worsening his condition instead of improving it. It has made him very fat and lazy. Question 3. Who does I refer to in this story? I refers to narrator Mr. James Herriot, a veterinary doctor. Page 3, question 4. Is the narrator as rich as Tricky's mistress? Its answer. No. The narrator is not as rich as Tricky's mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. We can say so because the narrator seems to be fascinated by how the lavishly Mrs. Pumphrey spends on well-being and maintenance of her pet. He is unusually surprised by the enriching items she sends for Tricky, as he cannot afford them for himself. Question 5. How does he treat the dog? Dear guys, its answer. James Herriot treats Tricky just like he would treat an overweight and lazy dog, which Tricky is. He cuts down his food intake and keeps him under strict observation for the initial days at the hospital. He gradually increases Tricky's food and sets him free for physical activities to improve his health. Question 5. Why is he tempted to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest? Its answer. Mr. Heriot is tempted to keep Tricky on as permanent guest because of the good food and wine he is enjoying in Tricky's name. He does not want to lose the luxuries, inflow of fresh eggs, wine and brandy. Question 7. Why does Mrs. Pumphrey think the dog's recovery is triumph of surgery? Dear guys, its answer. Mrs. Pumphrey thinks that Tricky's recovery is a triumph of surgery because his illness was very serious. She was of the opinion that there were very few chances of Tricky's to improve and needed immediate medical attention. Thus, her revival without any medicinal treatment was a great achievement according to her. Now, think about it. Page number 6. Question 1. What kind of a person do you think the narrator, a veterinary surgeon, is? Would you say he is tactful as well as full of common sense? Dear guys, its answer. The narrator, a veterinary surgeon, is capable and wise doctor. He handles Tricky properly, which shows that he is sincere about his profession. He doesn't operate upon the dog unnecessarily and cures him by attending his diet and activities. He is a tactful person, as he knew exactly how to convince Mrs. Pumphrey to hospitalize Tricky for a surgery. His decision to inform Mrs. Pumphrey to collect Tricky support his sensibilities, even though he was tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest. Question 2. Do you think Tricky was happy to go home? What do you think will happen now? Dear guys, its answer. Tricky was happy to go back home as he really loved his mistress and the comfort of his lavish life. He didn't have any friend at home like in the hospital, but he seemed equally excited at the sight of Mrs. Pumphrey. I think that Mrs. Pumphrey will now be careful about Tricky's diet and health. She may also give him exercise daily as prescribed by the vet earlier. Question 3. Do you think it is a real life episode are merely fiction, or is it a mixture of both? Dear guys, its answer. The story seems to be a mixture of both. It may be possible for rich persons to overfeed their pets due to love. It is not unusual for them to maintain a vast wardrobe for them either. But it is unlikely for a veterinary doctor to go out of the way and lie in order to save an animal. It is also unusual for anyone to consume food which is given in the name of a pet for health. Now talk about it. Page number 7. Question 1. The episode describes the silly behavior of a rich woman who is foolishly indulgent, perhaps because she is lonely. Do you think such people are merely silly, or can their action cause harm to others? Dear guys, its answer. Mrs. Pumphrey's action had a harmful reaction on the Tricky's health. She was over parenting and overfeeding Tricky in the name of love. This worsened his condition to an extreme that he had to be hospitalized. People like Mrs. Pumphrey are not just merely silly, but their actions can definitely have dangerous consequences for others. Question 2. Do you think there are people like Mrs. Pumphrey? Dear guys, its answer. Yes, there are some parents like Mrs. Pumphrey who spoil the children by pampering them. They overfeed their children, pet, despite being aware of the harmful effects on their health. Parents like Mrs. Pumphrey should maintain a healthy lifestyle for their family and pets. Question 3. What would you have done if you were in place of Mrs. Pumphrey? If you were first a member of his staff in Mrs. Pumphrey's household, second a neighbor, what your life would have been like in general? Dear guys, its answer. If I were a member of his staff in her household, I would have not followed Mrs. Pumphrey's command to feed Tricky blindly. In fact, I would have fed him according to the vet's advice. I would have also skipped sharing the unnecessary stuff like toys, cushions, etc. to the hospital. My life would have been a busy one, as I would have had to take care of the household chores and meet Tricky's demands on time. Second, if I were Mrs. Pumphrey's neighbor, I would have advised her to consult a vet and follow his advice strictly, keeping in mind Tricky's deteriorating health. I would have also been supportive in their hard time when Tricky was hospitalized. My life as Mrs. Pumphrey's neighbor would have been full of surprises and gifts as Mrs. Pumphrey was a loving lady. Question 4. What would you have done if you were in narrator's place? Dear guys, its answer. If I were in the narrator's place, I would have treated Tricky with the similar amount of compassion and love. I would have been equally caring as Mr. James Herriot towards Tricky. I would have just been a little more stern while advising Mrs. Pumphrey to put Tricky on a strict diet, knowing her way of showing love. I would have also not consumed Tricky's share of eggs, wine, and brandy sent by Mrs. Pumphrey. Dear guys, it was all for today. Hope you must have liked it. Please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon in order to get the notifications of the coming videos at the soonest. Thanks for watching. Bye.